Okay, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. So now we will review the engineering economic approach on the chapter 1 of the operation research, the previous example. Alright. So based on the example 1.2, where is we have a machine, but we want to change the machine. We want to replace with a new one. But currently, we have two suppliers approach us. So each supplier have offered their machine and which a trade-in value and which the estimated lifetime is 4 years. Okay, so our dilemma now is which one we want to select. Either want to choose supplier A or we want to choose a supplier B. So for both supplier, we have compared apple to apple comparison in terms of trade-in value, in terms of new machine price, annual operation cost AOC, estimated lifetime, and salvage value. Okay, supplier A trade-in value is 7,000, supplier B is 6,800. New machine for supplier A is 10,000, supplier B is 15,000, and annual operation cost AOC 2,000 for A and 1,000 for B. Then estimated lifetime both suppliers is 4 years, and salvage value for supplier A is 500 and supplier B is no salvage value. Right? So how to choose? How to calculate the present worst analysis? How to do the analysis of the present worst? So first, what I mentioned to you earlier, that we need to do the CFD. We need to use uh, a CFD method. So why is CFD? CFD is a cash flow diagram. So the first step is a draw for the A. We need to do the CFD for both supplier for A. Okay, one line. So N is 4 years, right? N is a number of years. Okay, so N is 4 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, why? Because this is N is 4 years. Then this is trade-in value. What is trade-in value? Trade-in value is the current value. So that means this is P. New machine price. We need to invest. We need to spend our money to buy a machine. This is P. Okay, we can classify this is P1 and this is the P2. Then we have a annual operation cost. Every year we need to pay, we need to spend. So that's this is A. Then sell value after 4 years. So that's mean this is F. Okay, so we trade in value. That's mean we will get the money from the supplier. They pay us because of the they buy our old machine. So the arrow is a positive arrow. This is P1. P1 is a 7K. We need to buy a machine 10,000. So we need to use our money to buy a machine. So P2 is a 10,000 and we need to spend 2,000 per year for the AOC. So that's mean from year 1 until year 4 we need to spend the money of the AOC, annual operation cost. A is a 2,000, and then from the supplier A, the salvage value, that's mean we get the money by end of year 4 is a 400. Okay. Alright, so this is our CFD for A. Then how we want to calculate the present worst? So PW equal to PW for A equal to 7k minus 10k. Okay, for the 7k and 10k is a p-value, so no need to convert to any value of a or f. Okay, why 7k is positive? Because the arrow is positive. 10k is a negative. Okay, that's why minus. And we have the expenses AOC is a 2k, but we remember 2k is a 2k not a p, so that's mean we need to convert a to p. So 2k time, what we want to find? We want to find the p given a. P given a, I is a 5%. I is a 5%, and is a 4 years. Okay, and we have a several value plus 400 plus 400. What we want to find? We want to find p. 400 is f. P given f 5% and 4 years. Right. So now we have a 7k minus 10k minus 2k time factor of p given a 5% and for 4 years plus 400 p given f 5% and 4 years. How to find the factor of p given a? We use a table 11. This table, you can refer the table 11. Alright, so the table 11 is for the compounded interest I 5%. Why 5%? Because our interest rate is a 5%. Okay, and it's a 4 years. You can refer in the end is a 4 years. So that's mean 7k minus 10k minus 2k times p given a 3.5460 plus 400 p given f. P given f is a 0.8227. Okay, you just insert the factor of a 3.546 in the p given a and the factor of the 0.8227 into the factor of p given f. So the answer is a 80.65. Okay, so what about B? So same step. For the B, we have 4 years. 1, 2, 3, 4. And trade-in value is a 6,800. So the new machine is a 15,000. And the annual operation cost is a 1k. Okay, and no salary value. So same thing, I is a 5% and it's a 4 years. Then for the PWB, is a 7k, sorry, 6,800 minus 15k minus 1k 1000. P given A, same thing. P given A, we want to find P given A 5% and 4 years. Okay, P given A 5%, 3.546. Okay, so we get the answer for the PWA for the supplier B is a 11,746. Okay, so we have a two answer. For A is a for A is a 9,680.65 cent, and for the supplier B the answer is 11,746. So based on the present worst, which one we want to choose? Okay, in terms of present worst, we compare 9k and 11k, so that means we choose a supplier A. Alright, so we choose a supplier A because we can save money in terms of the present worst calculation. Alright, so this is about the engineering economic approach, and thank you very much. See you again in the next class. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.